Hey there, this is Team Rivets presenting our model based on OpenCV, TensorFlow, and Raspberry Pi to automate the tasks using hand gestures.
Our team consists of Pushpendra, Rijul, Harshit, Shivam, and Pratik. So let's get started.
After properly positioning the hand inside the frame, capture the picture by pressing the space bar.
This gesture will decrease the volume. Currently the volume is 50.
After running this cell, the volume goes down to 33.
So now let's capture another gesture. This gesture will take a screenshot.
You can see that the screenshot has been saved here. Capturing another gesture.
This gesture will increase the volume. You can see that the volume right now is 54. And after running the cell, the volume increased to 81.
Let's capture the fourth gesture. This is the L symbol. It will open the Help menu. You can go through this help manual.
Now let's move towards a fifth hand gesture, which is OK symbol. It will play a song for 30 seconds.
Moving on to the sixth gesture, that is palm. This hand gesture will launch the file explorer.
Last but not the least, we will capture the thumb gesture now. A start voice recording option will pop up and you can start the recording by clicking on the start button.
This recording will get saved in your system.
Thank you.
Thank you.